everyone, and welcome back! It's your neighborhood cheetah, Chi-Chi, and today we're going to the bank! And today we're going to use the tap feature on our debit card.
Yes!
And here comes Gigi, guys!
Hey, wait for me! Hey guys, it's your debit card, Gigi. And today, we're going on an adventure.
Woo!
We're going to the store to buy toys, to buy games, and most of all, to buy coconuts. So, let's go!
Hey, look! It's Miranda, the card reader!
Hello, everyone. I'm Miranda, the card reader.
It's great to see you, Miranda.
It's great to be seen. You see me at convenience stores and gas stations. I'm used to buy products at the store. You can use your chip on your debit card, or you can use something called the tap feature.
What?
When you use the tap feature, all you have to do is place your debit card against my surface, like this. And voila! You have made your purchase.
Woo!
Now that we're at the store, let's buy our coconuts!
Yeah!
Today, we are using the tap feature. So instead of placing your debit card inside the card reader, we're going to place your debit card on top of the card reader. Like this. Tap, 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 tappity tap. It's how you access your bank account. After you place your debit card on top of the card reader, it will tell you that it is ready for you to place in your PIN number.
Shh!
Your PIN number is a secret number that no one should know. If someone knows your PIN number, then they can steal your money.
When using the card reader, remember, no one should be around. You have been approved. Make sure you never walk away and leave your debit card at the card reader.
If you leave your debit card at the card reader, then someone can steal your debit card.
And steal your money!
What?
Don't let them take me.
Go away.
Make sure to keep Gigi safe at all times. Place me back in your pocket and keep me there at all times.
Wow, awesome! We just used the tap feature on your debit card to make your first purchase. Now we can go home and enjoy our coconuts!
Yahoo!
Wow, what an adventure that we had today! We used our tap feature and bought coconuts from the store!
Yeah!
Like us and subscribe to our channel and tell us in the comments what animal that you want to see next! Join us next time, kiddos, and see what we're going to learn next, because we're going to the bank!
Calm down, everyone. I'm signing autographs later.
Ay, tú sabes, mami. Ja, vamos para allá, vamos para allá. No quiero más problemas.